Where's he at? Don't see him. Oh, he's hiding. He's over there. All right, let's make sure we got everything. Nope, we're leaving that Evo, and we're just going to take. Is that my phone? Yeah.
What kind of panties do you want?
Jesus. What's good, guys? So this is sort of an impromptu video. It's going to be done sort of vlog style, but today I wanted to talk a little bit about my experience over the past year having my 107 and whether or not I regret getting it, because there's a lot of controversy around the 107, primarily because they do charge for it, and some people have a lot of mixed feelings about it, whether or not they should get it, whether they need it to post videos online, things like that. So I'm just going to clear up a couple of things and talk about how it's treated me over the course of the year. Let's get started. What's good, everybody? My name is Original Lobo. On my channel, I do drone and tech related content. So if that's at all interesting, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video. So today's video is a little bit different because I'm just doing this vlog style. I've literally got my bags packed for commercial UAV, and I really didn't feel like unpacking my other Sony. So I'm just shooting on this, and this is actually, this is my 12mm. This is what I do my real estate videos and walkthroughs. So if it doesn't seem as sharp, that's probably why, because it's meant for like further back. But anyways, so I've had the 107 for literally 1 year. I went and got it last year on the 19th of October, passed, got it 85%, took me 25 minutes to do, super easy. Cost $150 to take this exam. Now the whole purpose of that 107 is so you can make money with your drone. Obviously with me, I'm sort of not I'm not a hobbyist. I guess I'm a commercial pilot. I also post YouTube videos, and I have a real estate company as well that does videos, photos, things like that. So I needed a 107, and that was always my plan after getting my drone, that I wanted to be able to make money for it to be able to fuel my hobby side of the drone. A lot of people will ask me and say, you know, do I need a 107 if I'm just posting things online? And the answer is no. If you aren't monetizing those videos, you don't need a 107 license. It's perfectly fine just to share, do, you know, normal Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, wherever you're posting, it's fine. Like everybody in Friday Night Flights, you're fine. You're not doing anything wrong if you're just hobbyist. But the minute you start monetizing, making money, like I make money on my YouTube videos because there's ads that run on it. End of the month, I'm part of a network, full screen network. They pay me, you know, once a month. Yeah, so I absolutely needed it. And for a while, I really argued back and forth whether or not I did need it. And I was wrong, because I should have had it all along. But even more so now that I'm doing like professional work with realtors, and I'm working with different agencies, capturing photos of their properties, this more so means more to me than anything. However, the vast majority of my money hasn't really come from the 107. Like I said a couple of months ago, 10% of my business is aerial. And probably right now it's more like 30% is aerial. That's typically the reason why I'm getting the gigs that I get, is because I do have a drone and I am licensed, so I can do the things that most photographers can't do. So it has helped me out, and I have made a pretty good amount of money over the course of the year. Definitely the $150 I've paid has paid me, I don't know, times it by 77. And there you go, without actually divulging. But it's definitely been worth it. And I've had a good time this past year. Now, in 11 months from now, I'm going to have to go take the recurrent test, and I'm going to start studying. Probably closer to August, I'll start studying and get that test out of the way, so I can be good to go for another 2 years, and I'll have to pay that $150 again. If you're a hobbyist, yeah, you definitely don't need this, and I know a lot of you guys are hobbyists, but if you're a hobbyist on the edge thinking, you know, should I do this? How hard is it? Well, the test isn't very hard as long as you study. Obviously, anything's easy if you study. But to start making money with your drone, it took me months to get clients to respond to me, and to keep in mind that I'm not just doing aerial photography and videography. I'm offering other services, has been an added benefit to me. But everybody's going to be a little bit different. You can be doing mapping, you can be doing roofing inspections. So there's different avenues that you can go with the drone that I didn't pursue that could make you a pretty good living. The biggest thing is don't get caught up in that you need this drone and that drone. Just start with what you have. And if I can just suggest one thing, which I should have been doing all along, and that was don't lowball your prices when you start. You want to make sure that if you're going to do something for a realtor, you do it for free first, make sure they like you. And then the next time, then you hit them with the correct price. Chances are they're always going to expect that price, which is going to be a lower price than what you initially thought you would want to charge. So don't make the mistake I did in that avenue. Make sure you're charging. As Barry Markowitz would say, don't be a cheap whore. But yeah, all in all, I'm really happy about it. I have zero regrets with this license. And I think a lot of people are just really apprehensive because, again, that $150, they're afraid that they're going to spend more money that they're going to make back. But if you commit to it, have a business plan, you're going to be able to make that money back tenfold, and it's going to be totally worth it. But anyways, that's just my experience. I'm sort of out of breath. This camera is a little heavy. It's in a cage. But I have some cool things coming from commercial UAV. So make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm going to be posting to my story if you want to check all of that stuff out. The show starts on Monday. The hall opens up on Tuesday. I have an interview, hopefully going to be happening with the Skydio team and the others that are there. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. And as always, stay original.